Welcome to Edudeva. Are you someone who wants to learn Python? Do you want to learn Python in 4 weeks through sheet-based concept? If yes, this course is perfect for you.
This course was designed by Mohit Edudeva, and he will be the course instructor. He is an advanced trainer with a lot of teaching experience.
With this course, you will receive 80 plus sheets and 5,000 plus code challenges. That's not all of it, you'll also get a course completion certificate at the end of the course, lifetime access to all the course materials, practice questions, solutions to the questions. There are no prerequisites to take this course. You will be learning Python from basics, object-oriented programming, create games with Python. Course objectives: to learn Python basics by the end of the course. By the end of the course, you will be able to create your own Python codes quickly, clear the Python certification exam, land your first Python programming job. You will also get 24/7 chat assistance. We are offering the course for just Rs 499 per person. So, what are you waiting for? Join us at Edudeva Institute. Get it from Play Store. Download our app today. Thanks for watching the video.